So here is the dry erase board, but I don't have a place to put the markers, and they're just kind of like randomly sitting right here on top of my printer, right? So look what I thought of. Found this old cup holder, like pencil cup holder. I actually had it in my Goodwill box. I like to keep my Goodwill box around for at least 90 days because it seems like sometimes when you're moving or out of places, you get irritated and just toss stuff you don't want. But then you're like, you know what? I needed that. So I'm glad I didn't get rid of it. Let me show you what I did. Got some trusty industrial Velcro, loop and hook, and put 3 nice pieces on it. Boom. Problem solved. So let's hope this stays, and now it's more convenient to grab them. Oh, and this too. Boom. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tip. If you are also looking for something like this, even for your pens, for a calendar that you get, the monthly calendar, the big calendars, this is a great tip. And now you don't have to worry about where you're going to put the dry erase pens and stuff like that to utilize. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and join the family. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And if you have any questions, if something you want to see on this channel is spiking your interest, leave it below. If you have anything that you want to talk to me about, leave it below in regards to this channel. And I will see you guys later, Gators.